A lot of you have been asking me to do a tutorial on how you can style your hair on your wedding day. In this video, I've put together simple steps that can help you do just that, especially if you are a beginner. What we are going to be doing today is the right product you need, the hair length you need, and how to prep your hair before we start. The hair we are using now is just a regular middle part 5x4 closure wig and in 4 bundle and jet black. I'm just going to prep my hair. I'm going to be using just a cap. This is optional. I'm going to be using this gel to slick my hair back, but we don't want any of the hair showing, especially because my hair is a different color from the wig. I'm just going to pull everything in, and we shouldn't ignore the back as well, because sometimes we do ignore the back. You know, our hair is coiling. So I'm just going to use this brush to smoothen my hair inside. The style we are doing, the hair is not going to show, but we just have to make sure everything is well covered. Here go the wig on my hair, and I'm just going to comb it. So I've not done any coils on it, so I'm using a pin to just clip the wig to the cap that I'm using, because I don't want the side of my hair to show, and I'll be repeating it on the other side as well. I'm using a hair mousse to just tame those annoying hair down. You can either use a water. The mousse I'm using is by VO5 any mousse. What we need an elastic band for this hairstyle, and we need our gel just in case you want to glue the hair down with the gel. I'm taking a section at the side because this is not a frontal wig. I said I'm teaching you, especially this video is catering for a beginner. So if you've ever wondered how do you do that, we are learning this together. I style hair on the mannequin. I don't do it much on my head, but we are going to be doing this together. I'm taking 2 sections from each side, so you will see what we are going to be doing with that. I'm just going to take some part from the ear, from like ear to ear, a reasonable amount. I have some of my band. I recommend for you to use like a dark rubber band for this part, just in case we don't want it to show. I want you to do it and send me pictures, because we are going to do this together, guys. So get out your wigs, brush your wigs, and let's start styling. Just make sure it's tight. I'm taking the pin here, just a regular bobby pin. I'm going to be using the pin on each side. What this is going to do, just to, you know, this is a wig, so I'm just finding a way to push it in. I'm putting it to like an anchor. I'm just going to take a band and hold this side. So before that, I'm just taking it up to see if it's going to be high enough. So just do that, because I'm putting it on top of the band because I don't want the band to show. I'm using this tiny hair band, the little black one, just to hold the hair, and I'm going to repeat it on the other side as well. Just making sure that the 2 sides is equal. This hair is for beginner. Anybody can do this hairstyle because I've put this together, and thanks to the person that asked me to do this, because you're making me challenging myself now. As I'm learning, you are learning as well, and I want you to definitely try it at home and let me know how easy it was. I'm using the bobby pin, putting it inside the hairband to just push it into the hair, Because it's a wig, it's quite easy because there are kind of holes in between where you can just slide the pin. So I'm using the band here. I want you to watch any part you're going to fold, put your band and then take the pin and slide it into the band.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box.
I'm just going to keep on folding it in. Anywhere I want to fold, I put a band.
Has burned down, 'cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now.
Any little piece, just get a pin and just tuck everything in.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Taking a section from the front, and I'm just going to fold this.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star.
Pulling it with my finger to just, I don't want it to look too perfect because this style just is glamorous. So I'm using my band on it and I'm going to be sliding it inside to cover like the band. And I'm using the pin to just what we have been doing, the same things, just push it in. And the other one, the same thing. I'm just going to kind of use my hand to just pull it, even though you don't even pull it, because the one in the front is going to come and fall over it. Just follow this step.
I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Just make sure everything, because that part was kind of sticking out. I can feel it. I'm just using my pin to pin it in, and I'm just using my hand in this place to feel. But that part, I think I didn't see it when I was doing it. So you just feel it with your hand, and I'm going to just be using my pin to put everything in place. Push it anywhere you want to push it in, because it's dark hair, it's not showing anyway. I'm just going to tongue this one in the front. I'm using a wand to just kind of coil it back just away from my face. What I'm doing here, you can rewind it again, just away, and I'm going to let it stay for a little bit because I want it hot. And then I'm just going to use my hand to just hold it in place. Why I'm doing this, because I don't want the coils to drop too much, and I'll be repeating the same thing I'm done. I'll be doing it to the other side as well. The hair is turning out really nice. This part, I didn't know it was turning out nice. I was just trying to do a good job for you guys. I'm just going to do it the same way. Take it to the back. When you're using the tongue, just be careful, guys, so that you don't burn your hand. Just be looking at the mirror, because I want you to have a go and let me know what happened after you did this hair. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I want you to comment down below. Let me know if you are going to recreate this hairstyle, because I'm doing it for you. I'm going to just twist it, but I want to use a rubber band, because we've been using a rubber band throughout, so that it can stay in place. Even though when you're dancing, when you're shaking, it will not slide out. Get the band, twirl it around the hand, and just get your pin and push it down. This hair, when I was editing this video, I really I'm like, I did an amazing job, and I know you will be able to recreate this hair, especially you that have been sending me message. You know yourself, and I'm happy I was able to show you this hair, because I know times are hard and some people are just doing like a simple wedding, but they still want to look good. So this part, I'm going to be using a clip to just clip it down for now, because this is not a full lace wig. For full lace wig is more for like a professional. I said this video is target for a beginners, someone that wants to try. So you just get something simple that you'll be able to use. I'm just pulling the hair. Why I do this, because I don't want it to look too, I don't want it to look too perfect. I'm just going to put the pin in and just pin it somewhere. Now the band is covered, everywhere is covered, and the hair looks so beautiful. I'm going to be getting a clip to just clip on this side as well. This side was fine, but what we did on the other side, I want to repeat it on this side as well. And I'm going to follow by a hairspray to just make sure everything is in place. I'm getting my hairspray now. I'm just going to spray it on the side of the hair. I'm just covering my face, spray the hairspray, and I'm going to be doing it on the other side as well. The back, I'm just going to spray it. And I'm going to be using some accessory. What I'm doing with this accessory, I'm filling it with my hand. Anywhere that I think I can feel the hairpin, I'm just using the accessory to kind of just close it. And then there's some spike of hair that is coming out. Just use your hand to fix it. And this, what do you think? You have to comment in the comment section. I was shocked. If you're shocked how this hair turned out, I was shocked as well. What I did at the side, I used like a bobby pin to just like a open pin to just close the gap from my hair and the cap. Just slide it in. This is a beautiful hair, guys. What do you think? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it to someone that you think that would definitely need this hair. If you are just meeting for the first time, my name is Chris Bex. On this channel, I do hair videos, review, anything to help you become a better hairstylist. I can't wait to see you in our next video. Bye bye.